Hey, future entrepreneurs ready to start your own business from scratch. Let's jump in. First, find your passion. Your business should be something you love or are interested in. Ask yourself, what problems can I solve? This is where your journey begins. Next, validate your idea with market research. Identify your target audience and analyze competitors. Use online surveys or social media polls to get feedback. This will help refine your concept. Now, create a business plan. Think of it as your roadmap. It should outline your business model, target market, marketing strategy, and financial projections. It's crucial for clarity and attracting investors. Let's get legal. Choose a business structure: sole proprietorship, LLC, or corporation, and register your name. Make sure to get the necessary licenses and permits. Now, funding time. Whether it's bootstrapping, loans, or investors, create a realistic budget for startup costs. Marketing is key. Use social media, content marketing, and email campaigns to attract customers. Launch your business, gather feedback, and adjust based on customer input. Finally, build a support network. Connect with other entrepreneurs and mentors for guidance and growth. Remember, entrepreneurship is a journey, not a sprint. If this was helpful, like, subscribe, and turn your dreams into reality with us.